Welcome to AIStaffs. AIStaff is the world's first AI-powered full-time team of employees that you can hire for your online and offline businesses. Now, it's super easy to use AIStaffs. Once you log in, you'll be able to see all the stuffs, all the AI stuff that you have hired, all the previous conversations you have done with them. You can rename these conversations, and you can download the conversation and delete them. All conversations are encrypted end to end, so your privacy is fully secure. To use AIStaffs, it's really easy. You go into the Staffs tab, and here you can see all the staffs that you've hired and all the other different staffs that are available. We have Big Shorts, who's a YouTube expert. We have Sarah James, she's an ad copywriter. Alex Stevens, YouTube scriptwriter. Sales copywriter by Emily. We have Adrian Clark, affiliate marketing manager. James Foley, therapist, sales coach. We have 2 sales coaches, React developer, product manager, real estate agent, lead generation specialist. We have copywriter, we have a business coach, we have an accountant, we have HR consultant, we have lead generation specialist, legal advisors, we have customer support agents, we have graphic designer, startup tech lawyer, professional salesperson. We have a chef if you need recipes. We have a tech writer to write your articles or your tutorials for you. We have a journalist if you want to roll out a press release. We have travel guide to help you build an itinerary. We have software developer. We have dating coach. We have DIY expert, done for you, do it yourself expert. We have language tutor, financial advisor, mindful coach, travel advisor, career counselor, nutritionist, product manager, life hack, life coach, startup comedian, and even a personal trainer. So we got all these staffs that you can hire in just one click. All you have to do to hire them is click on the Hire Now button and click Hire, and that's all it takes. Super easy. And then you can start chatting with them or talking to them one-on-one, just like you would talk to Siri or Alexa. So let me show you a demo. So we have Stacy Tucker, who's our social media expert. So I want Stacy to help me write a tweet about a new pizza restaurant or a new pizza that I'm launching in my new pizza restaurant. So I create a new conversation. Now here I can type my question and talk to Stacy. I can change the language, I can change her tone, I can even give her a one-click prompt, or I could just press this button and ask her directly. Hey Stacy, can you help me write a tweet promoting the new double crust pizza we just launched in our restaurant called Pizza Shop? And just like that, Tracy will start thinking and start typing a response for you, and she's going to speak back to you her response.
Of course, here's a tweet idea for promoting the new double cross pizza at Pizza Shop. Introducing the mouth-watering double cross pizza at Pizza Shop. Experience the ultimate flavor explosion with our freshly baked crust, double cheese, and secret toppings. Hurry, this taste sensation won't last forever. Hashtag Pizza Shop, hashtag double crust pizza, hashtag pizza lovers.
Awesome. Isn't that cool? Now, I can go back and I can also chat. Now, let's say I'm trying to hire somebody or a consultant in my California office, but I need to know the legal stuff behind it. So what I can do is I can ask Candace, who is our legal advisor. So I can just chat with Candace. I can click on chat, start a new conversation, and then ask her a simple question. What are the legal considerations for hiring a new employee in California? Yeah. And let's say I speak French, right? So I want to get answer in my French language, and I send this to her. Now, Candace will double check all the information and then put together a response and give me the correct, most up-to-date answer on this. And there you have it. A detailed response from Candace. Now, if I'm unhappy with this response, what I can also ask Candace is to go and start researching about this topic on the internet and confirm her findings, verify her findings, and then get back to me with an updated response. So to do that, all I'm going to do is I'm going to go up here on these 3 dots, and I'm going to click on this, and I'm going to say access internet. But before I do that, let me change that to English. I'm going to go access the internet. So what Candace is going to do, she's going to go out there. She's going to start accessing internet. She's going to browse. She's going to look for more legal advice, more consultations, more legal papers, check government websites, and then verify her response, update it, put together a new response, and come back to me with the updated information along with the source of the information. And here we have it. The most updated information by Candace by researching and verifying all the information on the internet. Now, once you have had a conversation, you get a response from Candace, and you want to download the copy, what you can do is go back here, click on this link. You can copy it, download as a PDF or as a Word doc. You can download this specific response, or you can also see the source here, by the way, or you can go into conversation, and then in the conversation you can download the entire chat history with Candace as a doc or PDF, whichever you want. Now let's take another example. Let's say we want to start a pizza store in Brazil, and we want to get some idea. So we've got Jeffrey and Joffrey, both of them are marketing in the marketing department, but Jeffrey is a marketing manager and Joffrey is a marketing expert. So what we're going to do is we're going to chat with Joffrey, and we're going to ask him what's the market like in Brazil about pizza shops. So I'm going to do this, and I'm going to send this message. And now what Joffrey's going to do, he's going to start researching this information and put together a competition analysis, a competitive analysis for this. And here you go. Here's a detailed summary of a competitive analysis of top players in pizza industry in Brazil. Now, again, you can, if you are unsure about this response, you can always ask Joffrey to verify this information by accessing the internet, researching the same online, and getting the latest up-to-date information with a source where he acquired that information from. And as you can see, here's the source for this. You can click on it and see the website where he got all his information from. Now, I want to show you something really, really cool. Among all the AI staffs that you have, they all have been trained for a specific role, specific skill set to answer and help you grow your business in a certain thing. Accountant can do accounting for you, legal advice gives legal advice, copywriter writes copy for you, social media expert explains and does social media marketing for you. But what if you want to ask or build an AI staff that you want to train yourself? So for that, we have UAI. Now, UAI is a feature which is possibly not available for everybody. It's possibly available only for people who have bundle or professional plan of AI staff. But what is, you can train UI on a certain topic and then conversate and ask questions about it. So let's say I want to learn more about Dogecoin, right? But I don't have time to read about Dogecoin. So here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to click over here and create a folder called Dogecoin. Go here. Now here I can copy paste the information that I have about Dogecoin. I can upload a PDF or a Word doc, or I can grab data from a blog post. So here's a blog post about Dogecoin. So I'm going to copy paste this link. I'm going to click on import. Now what UAI is going to do is going to go to this website, this blog post, right? And it's going to assimilate all the information from that website, right? And it's going to save all that information itself. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on create a new agent. I'm going to give it a name and then click on next, and I'm going to give it access to the information that I wanted. So Dogecoin was the one that the folder where I imported information about Dogecoin, and I can add more folders as well, and then I can click on create, and then the agent is created. Now we head back to staff and we try to find our agent who's over here because it's tagged as your agent. Now we're going to hire him, and then we're going to go and ask him, let's say, what is the market cap? And now based on the information it has acquired, based on the blog post article that it learned, here's the answer it has generated. So you can ask more questions, you can upload your documents, and the AI staff will learn about it. Everything is end-to-end encrypted, so none of the information is shared by a third party. There are additional features that you can turn on and turn off in the settings. For example, adding and office hours, so your staffs are only available during a certain period of time if your team is using. You can also embed your staff. So if you go here, you can grab this code and put it on your website, so you can chat with your staff inside your members area, inside your help desk, or on your website as well. So this is what AIStaffs does for you. It gives you access to a really powerful team of professional AI employees that you can hire in your business, or co-lease to other businesses to help them grow, make more money, and start profiting. So that's what AIStaff does. And if you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to our team and we'll be happy to help you too.